Hey guys, today I'm doing a clean up my closet. I thought it would be really fun to do during this like spring cleaning time, especially during quarantine too, because I'm super bored. So today I'm going to be going through my closet, cleaning out clothes that I want to sell or donate and what I want to keep. I'm doing this also because I'm super low on hangers. Like I can't even buy new clothes and there's a lot of stuff in there that I don't wear, so I need to go through it. Let's go. Okay, so this is my closet. It goes back a little bit further, but it might already look pretty organized to some people. But I have a lot of clothes in there that I don't wear that I want to get rid of. And also, I just feel like it looks messy. So, yeah. Here's a little overview of what it looks like right now. I'm going to start with skorts and skirts. Okay, so I've never actually worn this, so I think I'm gonna sell it. Okay, obviously I have a theme here with like ruffles and skorts, but I have like a magenta one, a red one, and a black one. And I'm gonna keep all of these. I literally just got this one. Black goes with everything, and the red's fun. These are from Express, and then this is from a local boutique. This skirt still has the tag on it, but it's too big. And I was gonna get it altered, but I never did, so I think I might sell this. This is another white skirt. It's by Blank NYC. I actually hate this copper button, but I had to get this skirt for recruitment, so I think I'm gonna sell it because I obviously don't need it anymore. I love this skirt. I wore it for my 21st birthday. It's from Nasty Gal, but I don't think I'll probably ever wear it again, so I'm gonna sell this. Sell. I think this skort is so fun. I got it off Shein, and I just think it's fun because it's like neon and animal print. Part of me wants to sell it, but a part of me wants to also keep it. This was literally like $6, so I think I'm gonna keep it. If I don't wear it next year, I'll sell it. I've only worn these once, but it was really cute when I wore them, and they like make you look kind of slim thick, and I think they're like fun and girly, so I'll keep these. I think I'm gonna keep this one because it's kind of fall and wintry, and I don't have a lot of skirts like this. My roommate Emma let me have this, and I've never even worn it. She gave it to me probably like 2 months ago, and I think I'm gonna give it back to her or sell it. These are my two favorite black skirts. This one's from Free People, and then the one underneath is from Express. I hate this skirt with a burning passion. I feel like I never wear this skirt or like want to wear it, so I think I'm gonna sell this. This is Free People, so it's really nice. I feel bad for not wearing it. Okay, these are all my skorts now. I have 7 of them, and I organize them by color. And sometimes I'll double up the skorts or skirts just to save room. Like these are pretty thin, so they double well. Now here are my skirts. I have 8 of them. So I kind of have more casual in the front. So green, then blue, and then white and black, brown, and then all black. I love this romper. I think it's really cute and like easy to wear, although I feel like it is a little short for me, and I feel like someone else would like it, so I'm gonna sell this. Another romper, great for summertime. I just don't feel like this pattern or the red flatters me, so I'm gonna sell it. I love this romper. It's from Zara. I wore it freshman year to my first home Auburn football game. You can see up close it has orange and navy blue and light blue. So this is perfect for an Auburn game. It's very flattering on. This is so cute. I also wore it to my 19th birthday, but I haven't probably worn it since, so I'm gonna sell this. I still really like this romper. It's Free People. It's a nice little maroon red, so I think I'm gonna keep this. I think this romper is so cute as a cover up. I think I got it from TJ Maxx, but I'm just gonna take it off the hanger and put it where I keep my cover ups. You can't really tell what's going on, but this is like a gray blue romper. I really like it. Oh, and it has pockets. I wore this romper to a wedding. I think it's so cute. I love the hot pink, and it has like an open back. I also wore this to an interview, so I think I'm gonna keep this. I just got this romper. It's very comfortable. I love the light purple, so I'm keeping this. I love the color of this one. It's the same brand as that hot pink romper, and I have to keep it because I haven't gotten a good photo in it, so obviously. This romper is so pretty, but it does make me think of my ex-boyfriend because the last time I wore it, I went to a date party with him, so I have to sell it. This is a light blue romper. I love wearing light blue because I have blue eyes. I also really like the ruffles on it. I haven't worn it in a while, and my mom thinks it's too short on me, but I'm gonna keep it because I think it's cute. This is a burnt orange satiny romper. It looks really good on. I've worn it a few times, but I think I'm gonna keep it, and I'll probably get rid of it like next year. This became untied, but this is too tight on my arms, so I'm gonna get rid of it. This romper is Show Me Your Muumuu, which is a very expensive brand in my opinion. I think it was like $150 or something like that, so I feel bad getting rid of this. And I feel like I can still wear this for summer, so I'm gonna keep this. This is like the only wintry romper I have, so I feel like I have to keep it. It is really flattering on, so I'll keep this. If I don't wear it next year, I'll get rid of it. I keep saying if I don't wear it next year, I'll get rid of it, so I really need to hold myself accountable and watch this again next year and actually get rid of things. This is a little like lounge set, so comfortable, gonna keep it. This is another cute set. I wore it for game day and I think I'm gonna sell it because I don't think I'll be wearing it anytime soon. This is another set. I wore it to a Friendsgiving and I still think it's so cute, and it's very thick and like an embroidered thing, and I feel like it's very different, so I'm gonna keep this. If I don't wear it in a year, I'll get rid of it. This is another little set. I'm gonna be getting rid of this because I haven't worn it in forever. Last but not least, I have this set. It's super hard to see, but it like ties on the shoulder. This is super high-waisted, but my little tassels like fell off. I'm gonna ask my roommate Emily to like sew it back on for me, but I wore this for bid day my junior year, and then I also wore it on spring break, so I'm gonna sell this. Still has the tags on them. I'm gonna keep it though. I'm gonna keep this one. It looks so short, but it goes like off the shoulder. So cute with like high-waisted things. I feel like this neckline is really flattering on me, so I'm gonna keep it. Worn this too much. I love this tank top. It's from Nasty Gal. The one behind it, forgot where it's from, but I'm not gonna keep it. And the other one is also from Nasty Gal, and I love that one. This is from Super Down. You can't even like see what it looks like, but this is a bodysuit. I love it. I'm gonna keep it. Also from Nasty Gal, and never wore it. Probably never will. Doesn't look good on me. This is from Forever 21. I've worn it enough. I'm kind of tired of seeing it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. Also from Nasty Gal. Never been worn before. If I don't wear it next year, selling it. It's like a good blouse, so I feel like I should keep that. This is like another top that like it could work as like a blouse. It's not like my favorite, but I feel like I could wear this for something businessy. I love this top. So cute with a bralette or like wearing it over a bathing suit. My mom just got this for Valentine's Day. I love this shirt. It's from Shein, but it's a little too small, but it still fits, so I'm still gonna wear it. I've had this shirt for forever, but it's so soft. This was made like locally, so I feel bad to like get rid of it, so I feel like I should keep it. Once again, not my favorite top, but I feel like it's a really good blouse, and since I am a business major, I feel like I should keep it. Okay, so update, I reorganized everything. This is what it's looking like. Look how many hangers I have in the back. I took all my winter coats out and I'm gonna take them home. Down here, I have 2 bags under here. That's like all Alpha Chi stuff that I want to sell. That's like Auburn Rec stuff. Those are just empty bags. That's like my costume bag. Down here, I have like my beach pool bag, some extra little bags. That box has like paint in it. My bath bombs are in here. I also have a waxing kit. I don't know if I mentioned that in my room tour. And then I have this Unstoppables fabric spray. The pink one smells really good. I also organized the top of this, so now it's just purses and my little piggy bank. And then I'll show you what's in here. my white shorts, denim shorts, and then I have some shirts that you can't hang. In this drawer I have like my blue denim jeans and then my black ones, and then also some Spanx leggings. And then in the bottom drawer I just have swimsuits, cover-ups, and hats. My shoes were already pretty organized before, but that's what they look like. You might have noticed down here that it goes from red to black. And then my dresses and sets and rompers, it's not super color coded, but it goes from white and then it gets darker, and then I like start over for each category. That's what I did before for my tank tops and my short sleeves and crop tops, but I just put them all together and then color coded them. I think it looks a lot better. And then right here I started back over from white to black with long sleeves and sweaters. And then I have my rain jacket right there, and then I decided to keep this one fluffy coat because I am taking my winter coats back home. This is everything I'm getting rid of, so I'm about to organize all of this. These are all my winter coats that I'm going to take home. Some sweaters and hangers I'm going to take home too. Okay, now I'm separating everything, so I have a donate pile in front of me that I'm about to put in a trash bag, and then I have my Plato's Closet stuff I'm going to try to sell over here. If I don't sell it, I'm just going to donate it. And then I have some other stuff that's like my nicer stuff that I haven't even worn before that I'm going to try to sell on Facebook. My back is killing me so bad. Now I gotta take pictures of all these clothes. Those are my winter coats, and then this is just a bag of extra hangers and some sweaters because I have my like winter clothes I want to sell later back at home. So that's going home. This bag has everything I'm trying to sell on Facebook. If I can't sell it on Facebook, I might try to do Plato's, or I might just donate it. And then this is my Plato's bag, very big. And then this is my donating bag. I think I'm just gonna put these on top of my suitcase and then put that in the back of my closet. But yeah, we are done. I'm so glad. I have been doing this for 5 hours now, so I'm so hungry. My back hurts so bad. Here is a final overview of everything. I think it looks so good, minus the trash bags. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Hopefully this will inspire you to clean out something like your closet or something else, I don't know. But I did not realize this was gonna take so long, and also I was gonna have this much stuff. I love Marie Kondo, so I love to follow her like guidelines of like, if it brings you joy, keep it, if not, toss it. But yeah, so hope you guys are staying safe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.